Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Chicken Cordon Bleu. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Bit of off-topic advice. If your partner asks you if a bum looks big in a new dress, the answer is always no. But if she asks for the truth, the answer is still no. Anyway, on with the cooking. First we prepare the chicken breasts. Simply put them between two sheets of cling film and using a meat mallet, batter the breasts until they're about 1/4 inch thick. Then place the battered chicken breasts on a clean piece of cling film. Then spread over the mustard. Place the cooked ham on top of the mustard. Finally top with a slice of cheese. Then gently roll up the chicken breast and wrap in the cling film as you see here, making sure they're wrapped nice and tight. When this is done, refrigerate for at least 1 hour. When the hour is up, simply remove from the fridge and wrap in the cling film and coat in the breadcrumbs. I'm sure you've seen this done several times before, but if you haven't, you coat the chicken in the flour first, followed by the egg, and finally the breadcrumbs. And when this is done, place the chicken breast in a suitably sized oven-proof dish. Drizzle over with a touch of oil, and it's off to 180 degrees C oven for 45 minutes, or until an internal temperature of 75 degrees C is reached. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Stay safe. Bye for now. Honest, your bum looks fine.